Hey guys, now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about pole covers and how crucial they are to your design. Because pipe and drape upright pole covers, they are a really great way to hide your poles with a color that either matches your drapes or it complements them with a different color. One clear newbie mistake is exposed poles. Any and all of your hardware should be covered at all times. This can be easily achieved with pole covers, whether they are pre-made or you can create them yourself. Pole covers are purchased from various event decor companies, and they work like a giant sleeve or maybe even a sock. And they simply just slide over your existing uprights, concealing the edges of a single backdrop. However, the style I highly recommend are the DIY pole covers. They give your design a complete look that's pristine. To create one yourself, you'll need either one entire drape panel, one pipe cleaner, and any kind of pole that has a hole. Now I'm going to show you guys just exactly what I mean. I am Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I teach event creatives such as yourself how to attract higher paying clients through premium draping. So what I'm using is a pole that actually is from one of my old balloon arches, right? You could use something from a balloon arch, you could use something from an old backdrop. The whole goal is to get any kind of pole that has a hole. If you have to, you can even use a broom. The point is, you just want to be able to stick this pipe cleaner right into the hole, just like this, and give it a twist. So the goal is to have your pole and your pipe cleaner just like that. So now you're going to take the other end of your pole, you're going to slide it through your drape panel. This again, I'm using crushed shear, and this is an entire panel. Some people, you know, they try and cut them in half and they do all kinds of things. If you're looking to achieve premium draping, I highly recommend you don't do that. Just take the entire panel and make a pole cover. So now you want to slide the entire drape all the way down onto the pipe cleaner, right? Just like this. And then you want to just untie that little twist you made and release your pole. Now that you have your entire drape on the pipe cleaner, you want to just make sure like all of it is neat, it's not no bulgy pieces or anything like that. And you just want to bring it all the way down, just like this, and give it a twist. Not too many twists. Don't go overboard. Don't put it in like a shoestring knot, nothing like that. Just give it a quick little twist, like you're twisting some bread, something like that. Now, if you can see through this hole, that means it's entirely too big. You should not be able to get your finger all the way through. If you can, that means you have to tighten it up a little bit more, because 9 times out of 10, if you get your finger through, guess what? Your pole is going to slide through, and that's something you want to prohibit. So once you have your whole pole cover created, only thing you're going to do, be mindful, like I told you guys earlier, you want to make sure that your seam is in the inside, meaning going down. So only thing you're going to do is sit it right on top, just like a cap, right? And you want to, what you're looking for is this hole, you want it to line up with the hole on the top of your upright. You don't want it on the side like that. You don't want it in the back like that. You want it to sit directly on top, just like it's a cap. And that is your pole cover. If you have it nestled on top the right way, it will not fall off when you go to lift your backdrop. But if you need, let's just say, some kind of extra security, just secure it to your crossbar. Just like that. Give it a little twist, that way it definitely won't move. Okay? Now you want to do the same exact thing on the opposite side, and then you're ready to raise. Okay, so this actually completes the setup portion of your basic backdrop. Now that we're going to raise, I'm going to show you how to complete it and make it a polished look. Stay tuned. Hey guys, if you're looking to take your draping skills to the next level and you want to do it at your own pace and from the comfort of your own home while just paying low monthly installments, click that link below so you can be taken to our virtual program. You'll love it. I hope to see you guys on the inside.